Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G62 5G, and in this video we would like to demonstrate that you can enable and set up the VPN connection on this device. Alrighty, so first of all make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi. Next, launch the Play Store. At the search bar type in Turbo VPN. Then install the app. Afterwards, launch it, agree and continue. Skip the ad. In here, in order for the VPN/proxy connection to be activated, tap on this little caret icon over here. And as you can see now, the VPN has been successfully activated, which you can, well, understand from looking over here, as well as by looking at this little key icon at the status bar. You can change the server if you would like to, and finally, if you need to disconnect the VPN, just tap on this cross sign over here. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.